Alright guys, so we are on our last tutorial, and what I have done so far is that I have just uploaded some images. So like once we log in, like we see all the users. But one method I want to take you back to, in the user fragment, once we are logging out, I want you to add this snippet. This is very important. This snippet has to be added, because what it's doing is, if the user is logging out and if the user was active, obviously the status was online, and once it logs out we have to update the value to offline. So that is why once we log in with some different user, it does not show us the status is online even though user is logged out. So we have to update that, and that is why I have added this a little bit of one line snippet here, so that please yeah, because we want to keep the user offline once it's logged out. So we are going to log in, and hopefully we will be seeing the images. Samuel Gmail. Okay, yeah, this keyboard does not work. Damn it. Maybe I can. Where is that? Okay. So maybe. Okay, yes. Finally. At the end of the tutorial, everything is working perfectly. We will log in now. Yes. And we will log in with Ninja, or let's get Jonas. So you see this. Now if we log it out, if we log out JSON, it should not show us that Jonas is still online. If this snippet was not here, it would show us Jonas is online. So that is why I had to add that. So now this is clear that okay, Jason is online. Okay, great. Jonas is online. Great. Once Jonas logs out, this has to go off. So that I wanted to show. I'll log in again. So we'll log in. This dialog looks beautiful, and yeah, it comes back online. Okay, so now let's work on a little bit like on the design of it. So yeah, maybe we need to get rid of this, and like this text view, maybe let's make it a little bit beautiful. Okay, we'll go to the fragment user and give it a little bit more bold. Text color is black, and okay, great, this is good. And now like the action bar that we are seeing is like, maybe we need to get rid of this, but it might mess up the whole app, but we can try. But this is looking great. Let's just do it, no action bar. And if we go back to our navigation graph, then it would look a little bit of messed up or not. Let's see, time will tell. Yeah, this is where the problem lies, is that it changes the whole color of the app, and we need to get rid of that. So maybe I'll just get some colors, or try to fix it. What about the chat item? Okay, anyways, the name is perfect here, and yeah, the name is perfect. And now if we rerun the app and we can try to fix the colors, I'm not really good with the UI, so that is why I don't really mess with it. And I have always been so much busy in learning the code that I didn't pay much attention to the UI part of the development, which is very important. So due to us getting rid of that action bar, maybe everything is being messed up, and let's try to work our way around it. So what color should we give to, first of all, the login fragment needs to have the color so now it takes that away from it, so no, maybe no. And the button can be changed to, and the text color can be changed to okay, this is kind of acceptable. And we'll do the same thing for our register fragment. Okay, the button can have okay, and this color needs to come on the and looks like if I take this color off from here, from the login fragment, then maybe we would see something. Oh no. Yeah, we need that here. Okay, great. So let's move to, let's come in here for a while. In the themes. And let's just try to put it white in here and see what happens to our app. The primary should be white too. If I go to the user style, is it changing? No, it has no mood of changing. Yes, we are stuck on the coloring, guys. So, oh wow, what is happening? Why did this color show up everywhere? Let's maybe do this and try to take away this thing. Okay, yeah, it's coming back. Oh, hopefully we are saving this from messing up. Register and like let's just get rid of this, and so it is back, and profile is okay, username is okay, chat is okay. Yeah, okay, let's rerun the app. And I think we have successfully reached the end of the tutorial, guys. That I spent like around 1 month on working on it, and it was really difficult to learn all this. Yeah, okay, we're back, and like the all that action bar shit that was showing and like it wasn't looking good, now no more. So our design has improved a little bit. It looks like a little bit tender. And guys, that's all for the Firestore chat app with MVVM. Most of the tutorial on the internet are all about Kotlin, and this was I was really having trouble to teach myself, but finally I got around it. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you maybe in the next tutorial, or you can let me know what series I should do. So let's just chat a little bit with Jason. Okay, who was the user that sent me a message? Okay, Jason. Yes. Okay, like wow. I cannot even reply on this phone, man. That's annoying. And let's just go click yes. Wow. Hopefully this will be working now. Yes, this is working great. Okay, guys, so that's all, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please get back to me. Thank you. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.